Hey everyone, welcome back to 5D Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is Monday, January 25th of 2021, and today we are going to look at Chainlink, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And we are also going to look at trend channels and how to read those, set those up, and what they mean and what they can help you with. So let's go ahead and start. So this is Link on the hourly chart. Each candle represents 1 hour. This is dating back to almost our new year, so early January. And this middle line, this will act as kind of like a magnet. You can think of it like a magnet. So it's not like a hard line, but you can see it holds support and resistance minorly, and we're kind of right there again. So usually when we go up to touch a channel, we usually go back either down and test the middle line area, or we test the bottom. So we range in this. We can see we've been ranging, and like I said before, these are not hard lines like trend lines. So you just want to have an average of kind of the movement, and they can form little bubbles outside of the trend channel. You can think of it like Jello or something, like a Jello channel. So it's moving. It can poke out, but it doesn't have to fall out. So just think of it like that. You can see we are currently back at the middle line. And when you get below it, usually you're going to go back and test down at the bottom. So we want to hold this and kind of move back up towards the top. And if that happens, you can see we'd probably be somewhere up in the $28 range. As you go forward and you stay in your channel, you're going to be moving up higher. And even if you go down, you're going to be moving up higher. You're not going to, if we test this level again, we're going to be well outside of the channel. And then that channel will be broken. Ethereum, same. We're on the hour chart as well. So we're still in our channel here. This is going back to the same time period, early January. So we hit our bottom recently, and now we're going back up, broke through the center line. You see we almost tested the top. We still haven't yet. It'd be nice to get a bounce off of that line, which looks like we're still holding. That is our 21-hour support. Like I said yesterday on our live stream, these are the moving averages, and they change based on whatever chart you're looking at. So this is the 1 hour, so it's a 21 hour. If you go to the monthly, it's a 21 monthly, so on and so forth. So usually you just want to hold as high as possible. So right now you can see we're holding there for Ethereum. We'd want to see it bounce back up towards the top, and you can see we'd be breaking through 1500, another all-time high for Ethereum. I think Ethereum's got a good market trend for this cycle. I think it's going to be much higher in the coming months, or the next year or whatever, for the next for this cycle. So even if it goes down short term, we retest down here again. In the coming months, I see this trending much higher. Let's go over to Bitcoin and see what we're doing. Bitcoin a little bit shorter. This is the 1 hour, but I only went back a few days just because I think we're just starting this uptrend of Bitcoin again, which is also why altcoins are kind of pausing right now at the moment. Now, hopefully we get a rejection off this top. Looks like maybe we're already starting to go back down. That'd be nice. We want Bitcoin to kind of move sideways, which it's kind of just slowly moving up. That's fine. But you can see this big candle in the past, earlier this morning, is also why alts are kind of standing around again. So that's what to look for there. And you can see these middle lines, just look at that. So kind of holding resistance, trying to hold it as support. If you notice, like when you draw trend channels, like the center always is like played with. It's pretty cool. Cool to watch. The Bitcoin dominance, we're falling. Macro trend. This is on a 2 hour chart again, going back to January 13th, 14th. And you can see when the dominance rises, altcoins are kind of just standing around. So that's what's happened in the past, few hours. Bitcoin dominance has been rising back up in this little channel. Hopefully we're coming up to the top now. As you can see, we want to kind of get a rejection off of this. As Bitcoin dominance falls, altcoins have room to run. So when Bitcoin dominance is rising, it just pulverizes the rest of the market and it can't move. So we want this to come back down after this top would be ideal. DXY, This is the dollar index. This also controls a lot of cryptocurrency because you're trading pairs with Bitcoin US dollar, Ethereum US dollar, Link USD. This matters. So we're on a bigger trend going down, but as you can see, we've broken out of the downtrend channel for now, and now we're holding the top of it as support. See that? So if that continues, hopefully this is not going to happen, because if the DXY starts moving back up, all of crypto, including Bitcoin and altcoins, will kind of be on hold and likely go down. When this rises, crypto goes down, so we want to get back in our channel. Now, macro trend, as you know, like I talk about this all the time, if you've watched any of my videos, macro trend, I think we're going down. This is on the monthly, so this is like the past year when crypto's been going up. The DXY is falling. The last time we had a 21-month cross our 50-month moving average was 18 years ago. That's happening again right now. If that continues to play out, we make a lower low from here, get under 88. Crypto will be in a golden age, and we will be going much, much higher, which I believe will be happening over the coming months and years, which is why we're in a bull market. This has been falling. The more money they print, the more crypto has a chance. So we just got rejection off the 200-month moving average, which is about 16 years. Hopefully that holds as rejection. We have 4 days, 9 hours, so Friday evening that will close on the stock market. Doesn't go 24/7 like crypto does, so we only have 4 days, 9 hours to close this candle. If that holds as rejection, that'll be our second candle closing under that. And I always say you have to have a break of your trend, which this one did, a first confirmation close. If you get your second confirmation close under your trend or your line, that is the 100% lock. You get your second candle closing on the direction that you want it to go. That's your confirmation. So we'll look for that. Do videos 5 days a week. If you guys want to request anything, I gladly take requests. If you want me to look at any charts for you, if you have any questions in general, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe. I have nothing to sell. This is all for free. So if you have anything else, let me know. We'll do our car of the day. Is a 57 Corvette. Here's our quote of the day. All right, guys, I'm working on a new camera setup. So I got a DSLR I'm trying to set it up. I have a new microphone, so everything should be improving here in the coming days. I should have it done this week. I had to order a couple different more parts. But yeah, this whole picture here should be getting better. The microphone will be getting better in the coming days, so look for that. I'll let you should blatantly be able to tell that this is different, okay? So we'll look for that. That's all I got for today. One gold star today. It's the first day of the week. Nothing great's happening in crypto. We need to get this moving again. Link, we're holding this. Who knows by the time you watch this, we could have broken this. If we get below, start closing below, look at that. So we want to go back up there. We don't want to go down there. But if Bitcoin keeps freaking rocketing up, who knows? That's all I got for you today, guys. I'm going to do a live stream probably tomorrow or Wednesday, something like that. Maybe if the market gets heavy hitting. But otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Have a great day. Go outside, do something fun.